addressing to the common Ahmadis with one request. Watch this entire back and forth we had today with this apparently some Arab Murabbi of Ahmadiyya. And in this discussion, we were presenting one specific quote in which Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is ma'azallah, na'uzu billahi min zalik. He is saying that you can have imagination about Allah like a being with many hands, many feet, innumerable organs which are infinite in their width and length. And then Mirza Sahib himself is telling us, like in Urdu says Tendwa, and they translate, Jamaat translate as octopus. We ask him that is it permissible according to the Quran? Because you are telling your audience day in, day out that you have to base your beliefs on Quran. And Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani came to correct the beliefs of the Ummah and to bring them back to the Quran and Sunnah. The point is it permissible according to the Quran that you can refer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as a being with countless hands, countless feet, innumerable organs, and like an octopus? Is it permissible? Please watch the entire back and forth and see if you respond to that. And last but not the least, did you see how their polemics work? If you do not understand that how their polemics are designed, that you quote one page, they will say, no, no, quote that page. You quote that page, no, 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 quote that page. I'm only asking them for one consistency, and I let you decide. Am I being unfair to them? When it comes to Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, they are making one demand. They said, no, if you want to quote Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani on any issue, you need to consider all his quotations on that topic, and then you can quote him. What about other scholars? Why not the same principle for Muslim scholars? How come that you quote them and you do not consider their position? For example, I gave this example, by the way, and I request you to watch the stream, inshallah. We'll make the timestamp as well to make it easy for you. But let me give you what I said before. I said that there are two fundamental issues. That prophethood has come to an end, but a ummati prophet can come. No scholar has this position. No Islamic scholar has this position. And secondly, Isa Asalam has passed away, and his raising to the heaven was spiritual, rank was raised, and now somebody else will come in this ummah as Isa Asalam. Whose position is this? Why are you deceiving people by dropping the names of the scholars, by showing those half-cooked quotes? Why? How come that for Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, you do not allow anyone to present one quote and you demand that no, you have to quote every single thing before you say something about him? Why not the same principle about the other scholars? Oh, common Ahmadis, there is not a single Muslim scholar of reputation who ever said and believed that Isa alayhi salam was not raised to heavens bodily. Rather, when Quran says that Allah raised him to himself, no scholar has said it. It means that his spiritual rank was raised, not that he was raised bodily. No scholar said this. And yet they have the audacity to drop names and to quote the scholars and to deceive the people. Oh, common Ahmadis, wake up. Wallahi, we have only one intention. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow you to see the truth and allow you to accept and believe in that truth. All we can do is we can present this evidence to you. After that, it's your responsibility. Do your research. You are more than welcome to reach out to us. Inshallah, it's an honor for us to help anybody in their research. And then make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and then make a right choice. Day of judgment is not a joke. Life after death, life of eternity in Jannah or Jahannam, it's not a joke. No murabbi, no nothing will be of any benefit to you when you will be in the court of Allah. I'm requesting you, I'm advising you as a brother, spare some time. Watch all of these things and then make up your mind and take a right decision. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide each and every individual to the right path. And those whom Allah has guided, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow all of us to die on this straight path. Jazakumullah khair. Inshallah, see you next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.